Hey there! If you've been wanting to learn German but felt overwhelmed or didn't know where to start, this is for you. In my MetaFluent A1 German course, everything is explained both in German and in English as a support language. That way, you'll always understand what's going on. And to make learning easier, I use mnemonics, fun memory tricks that help you remember German words and grammar without stress. Want to finally learn German in a way that's clear, structured, and actually fun? With MetaFluent, you get full access to the entire A1 level, complete with exercises, mnemonics, and personalized feedback. You'll get access to the entire A1 level, everything you need as a beginner. We cover all the essentials: the German alphabet and pronunciation, greetings, introductions, numbers, days, months, telling time, family, food, shopping, colors, clothes, weather, hobbies, daily routines and work, directions, travel and transport, home, health, appointments, and more. Each lesson combines vocabulary, grammar, and culture in small, digestible steps, so you don't just learn about German, you actually use it. And here's the difference: every lesson includes interactive exercises, and you get personalized feedback from me. That means you're never learning alone, you're guided, corrected, and supported all the way. On top of that, you'll also unlock special bonus lessons. A local prepositions starter pack finally makes sense of words like in, auf, an, a temporal prepositions starter pack, master im, once and for all, 10 famous Germans, 10 exciting stories, learning through culture and history, and the false friends bonus lesson. Avoid those sneaky lookalike words that trick most beginners. And yes, all bonuses come with exercises and feedback too. By the end of the course, you'll not only know German at the A1 level, you'll use it. You'll be able to order food in a cafe, introduce yourself with confidence, understand simple conversations, and read signs without panic. In other words, you'll have real life skills, not just vocabulary lists. So, if you're ready to finally start speaking German, not someday, but now, come join me inside MetaFluent. Together, we'll make German simple, fun, and unforgettable. I can't wait to see you there. Bis bald!